Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about creating a new Spring project using Spring Initializer. As a first step, what you need to do is go to start.spring.io. You can see a screen like this. Select your preferences, whether you want to go for what is the build tool you're going to use. I have chosen Maven over Gradle, and what's the language? I have chosen Java. And what is the Spring Boot version? Choose the stable one which is already selected. This is 344 right now. And these are the values by default. So you can change the name of the artifact, but I kept it as is and I was going to change it later once I got the code. Uh, and then the packaging you have to choose. I have chosen jar which is default, and the base version which is supported is 17. So make sure you have the latest Java version which is 17, which is supported by Spring Boot right now. And since the Spring Boot is 3.4, so it needs Java 17. If you have a previous version of Spring Boot, it will not work. And the last step and the important step is, if you do not want to do the dependencies on your own, you just click on add dependencies and it will give you a lot of options. You can choose the required dependencies. I was going to create a REST API, so I have chosen the Spring Web, which includes the jar files for the RESTful API creation, and I needed a database connection, so I've used MongoDB. And then Lombok is for using some annotations which will reduce the lines of code, which we can see later. So this is how I'm done with the selection, and after that you can generate using this button. And in the download section you can see the your project being generated. You just go ahead and open it, and once you open it, copy the file, or you go ahead and extract to, and you choose the location where you want to extract it. I'm choosing the C drive, my user folder, and I have a git folder within that. And then I am going to download it in one of the folders. So I hope it got extracted. Let us verify. Okay, it's here, and now these are the files. Just to cut and paste it here, remove this demo, and now you can go to the source, main java com example demo. So this is where your application is. You can use any IDE to work on that, but I'm using Git Bash. So as I navigate to that, so you can see the folder that is generated. Okay, so this is your application, and another important thing is you can open the POM file. So POM file is having all the dependencies. 0.0.1 is the default version. It has the Spring Boot starter parent 3.4.4, 3.3.4. The main important thing is you have to use Java 17 version. So you just verify if you have the Java 17 version with you. Okay, just say Java home. We have not set the Java home. So what you will do is mvn clean install. So mvn is also not set. So in this case, you have to set the environment variables. Go ahead and then go to the environment variable, go to your path, and instead of doing this, you do this. You just figure out where your uh, softwares are. So you go ahead and do to the JDK 17. This is your Java home. Even better, just rename this to something else. JDK 17. That's your Java home. Just do it here for testing. Okay, what else? The next step, you have to set your Maven home or the Maven path. So go here and figure out where you have saved your Maven. So it is here. Rename it to Maven. Go to the bin and new. Just going to go here. Okay. Okay. So even then you will see this is not working. So just restart your command prompt. Okay. Now you just do mv, just do a Java. Okay, Java home is gone. Just do the, okay, let's set the Java home again. Okay, where is, that's wrong. Okay, and then let's do a Maven clean install. It takes a lot of time to download all those dependencies, and once it is done, it'll give you the jar file and you can run the jar file. Or you can use the command mvn spring boot run. So that also does the job. Okay, there is a test file as well, and it tests if my application is working. Yeah, it is not working because I don't have the MongoDB with me. So if you want to set up the MongoDB as well, you just figure out if you have that software with you. If not, just go ahead and download it from Google. Okay, let's do it. Download CodeDB zip. So the community version of MongoDB you can download, and here it is. Windows download. I need the zip one. I think I had it already. Yep, I had it already. But anyway, let me extract to this common location. Try period isn't it, but you can still use the software. New folder, that's it. Let's go ahead and download it. So the application build is successful. You can see I have only one file, which is this, and then let me open a new folder. So I have just this file and there is nothing else. We have test files. So even if I run, there's nothing to be done here. Your application is running. Yeah. Okay, you can allow the access. Your service is live over the internet as well. But you can see there is the database is not set up and you don't have any APIs to test. So we'll see that in the next video, guys. Till then, thank you for watching.